My understanding of the mouth is, I believe, better than many of the dentists out there because of my extra training. Hello, my name is Damon Jenkins. I am the owner of Jenkins Dental and the prosthodontist. The areas and specialties of dentistry I am most proud to offer are my specialty in prosthodontics. Many people don't know what a prosthodontist is, but a prosthodontist is a dentist that goes through extra training, 3 years of extra training, to learn about the full masticatory system. And what that means is everything from your ability to chew, tooth morphology, tooth position, shape, size, and everything about how the mouth works is what a prosthodontist learns. What happens in the mouth is that over time, everything changes. So teeth break, teeth wear, there's decay, there's movement. And as a prosthodontist, we're able to basically reverse engineer all that attrition in your mouth to give you a new, beautiful smile.